It's a lot more intense when it's not covered in snow. Well, my feet hurt, but we're going back there to that mountain. That's the plan. Last year I camped right there. And then last year I hiked in this way. But dang, this is freaking awesome looking. Again, my dumbass was like, oh, the snowshoes won't be on the first day. It'll be a easy hike. I forgot it's just shit rock here and it's not easy. I always do this to myself. Last time I had snowshoes on, it was like a smooth path. I mean, it was deep snow, so you had shit tons of grip too. I don't know. 5 inches of snow, this is gonna suck tomorrow. Good luck, snowshoes. But yeah, I think it's like 4 miles. If I make it there, it looks pretty epic, so I hope I do. And I got 1 mile an hour. Yeah, I can do that. Feet are starting to feel better. Warming up, everything's good. Hell yeah. Oh shit. I was trying to figure out what these tracks were. And they're bear tracks heading in the direction of my camp. Which means I have to hang my food. Or do something with my food. Alright, well that makes life a little more difficult. But because a smell-proof bag, a bear's gonna smell right through it. If I can climb the tree, you can climb the tree. I don't know what we're gonna do. Ooh, baby bear tracks. Perfect. Maybe I'll take a headphone out. Maybe. just came from up there. Had a bridge here. Ugh. Little water crossing. Brand new boots. They're supposed to be waterproof. Brand new. First trip. Well, yeah. One step. But I think we're good. Onward. Alright, I had to unzip. Whoa. Unzip. First time I'm starting to sweat. Like 2.5 miles in. Yeah, it's terrible. Yeah, I'm dumping heat. Alright. Yeah, I just sweat. It doesn't really matter, so you just accept and live with it. Hopefully I won't freeze to death. No, he'll be fine. You know it's serious when the sunglasses and the hat come off, but we're almost at the top. Almost at the top. This isn't my peak, but well, maybe that's, I don't know. I think I did the wrong way through here because that was tricky. Tomorrow we'll have snowshoes on, so it'll be easier. Probably not. Probably not. Well, I came from down there, and all of a sudden I noticed this. It's a campsite. So, yeah, it would have been a fire pit. Big open area. There's a bear pole. But I'm going to keep going, I think. I'm going to check the map. But I think, where'd the trail go? The trail goes that way. But I've got to cool down. A little sweaty on that one. So we'll dump some heat and get the hat back on. Man, it's beautiful out here. Sorry about I look terrible. But comment how old you think I am. Oh well, who cares? Live, have a good time. It's life. Hell yeah, big old thing. Look at it. Just look at it. Oh, I should probably cover up the backrest, but it'll get cold. Idiot! At least I remembered. La da da. There you go, you moron. I don't know if I've sworn on this one. I'm gonna try not to swear for the video, but I probably already messed that up. Well, I suppose. Chug a little more water and onward. Now that I stopped, I don't really want to drink water. Ugh. Finally cooled off. Under Armour, 1 layer. Just wait till it's dry and put a jacket on. Carhartt Storm Defender. The hat lays down, it covers itself up. Or maybe all jackets do that. So you always have a dry hood. Big hood. And it just folds down. Covers your neck. The Carhartt bottoms, I'll get different ones though, because those are heavy, not very warm, and have buckles right here that really suck when you're carrying that. But that's all I got. Here we go. Here we go. Feel much better. Rejuvenated. I think I'm like halfway. I think. I gotta be honest, this is gonna be a shit hike tomorrow. In snowshoes. I wish there was a little bit more snow would have been good. Would have been good. See, can you see it anywhere? Every once in a while you gotta check because like, is this the trail? It really doesn't know it's the trail. But then you see the little blue things. See the little blue things. I was like, But also, it is freaking bright out. The sun's trying to poke through somewhere, I think. Maybe. Sunglasses back on. Temperature is good. Feeling good. Mile, I don't know, probably 2 miles to go ish, and then set up my tent for the first time. Should be exciting. Probably put snowshoes on and pack down the spot. Find a bear pole. Good. I think there's a turn somewhere in here. There's normally a sign. I'm not. There's a thing. Yep, here we go. Idiot. It's kind of hard to see in here. I'll fully admit it. All right, what do we got? Ooh, 2.5 miles. Not doing terrible. So I got either that one. I got a couple options. Off that way. I'm gonna look at the map a little bit, see what I want to do. Like, this is just fucking incredible. I do kind of feel like I'm dying at this moment, but just I'm not dying, just wow. Just wow. That's what we're looking for. That was a hard one. Tomorrow's gonna be epic. I've lost the blue markers. It's somewhere back there. Somewhere. That's why we carry a watch and a phone. It's somewhere. Imagine doing this like 30 years ago would have been pretty exciting. Now, maybe 50. Well, 30, be even heavier. I think this is it. That sucks. This is, oh, probably a campsite up there though. I would assume. Somewhere. Ugh. Hey. Maybe that way. Okay. It's decision time here. I've got a bear pole here, which means there's a campsite somewhere around here. Well, this is the campsite, I guess. Do I camp here or do I go for the high peak? That's a decision. Stay here, high peak. It's 4:20. I gotta see when actual sunset is. That's kind of important. But, yeah. 4:20, 5:20, 6:20, 7:20. Yeah, I'll go for it, fuck it. Damn it, it's word. Here's a bear pole. Don't see a string though. I'll have to take a string off my tent. Just completely no markers anymore. Holy shit, they're real. Wow. That's cool. Maybe I'll have a trail for a while. I don't see anything. Hi, little buddy. Find you tomorrow. Give him a little pet for luck. So, the cold front came in. I had to zip my legs up. At least this is a trail finally. I think. This is the trail. Anyway. Okay. Again, exquisiteness. I don't know. Jesus. This is sketchy as fuck. Sorry. Oh, I lost the trail now. I think this is it. Yeah. Hey. Hey. That's what I see tomorrow. It's my trail home. So I listen to the song Exquisiteness again. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I need. I don't know if I should get worried that I occasionally see these. What, it's gonna suck tomorrow? Cause like, that's where I came from, but I don't really see a trail. Anybody? I'm guessing it's this. That's all I see. All right, onward. I don't know, it's blue paint. You could kill a lot of people if you just put a bunch of dots in a forest, I bet. Bunch of lost souls. This is where I came down.
Okay.
So this isn't right. I circled back onto myself there. That was special. That was special. I'm like, oh, look, tracks. That's a bear. No, those are mine. We'll try this way. I don't see shit anywhere. Holy cow, I found the trail. I was struggling there for a bit. I did a circle. But I see a blue dot. I don't see a shit for a trail. But I see a blue dot. This looks like a trail almost. Yeah, this must be it. Holy shit, that was wild. Woo! I didn't know this was any of this was a river, but then I stepped on this and the whole thing broke. And I fell down like 8 inches. It was exciting. The trail, I don't know. Yeah, it's over here, I think. Oh, is this a stream? Jeez. That was terrifying. Maybe, I don't know. Sure. This is the most trail I've found in a while. I think this is the trail. I don't know. It says over there. Over here. I don't know. Right across the river, I guess. Right here looks fine. Yeah, this will be fine. Ooh. I think we're gonna go down there. I guess I can cross that on snowshoes tomorrow. I don't like river crossings, even little ones. Well, what now? Like where? Where do you see? Across the river, so I think that up that mountain, so it's more like that. I see a sign. There's a camping symbol up there. That's cool. Means I'm on some kind of trail. Huh, that's cute. Oh, these snowshoes are gonna suck tomorrow, aren't they? Wow. Kicking my ass. What's the mileage? Just number 6. We're gonna go try it, I think. Otherwise, that's probably more. Oh, I see him for a while now at the trail. That is a trail. That's the trail. I can't fit through. I can't fit. Tomorrow I will. Ooh, sneak. Oh. If I was camping closer, I would have cut that shit down. I still might. Oh, this is bullshit. Yeah, I might cut that tomorrow. Just to help people out, just fucking makes it easier to see the trail. I'm tired, hungry, living life. I'm calling this summit, I think. Oops. That's where I came from. Over there could be a couple feet higher. Nice. Nice. Hell yeah. Let's go. Here it is. I'm fucked then. Government Peak. All right, camp time.